What's up, guys? So at this point, you probably know the first mods for the Hellcat have to be protection related. We already did the windshield with the new windshield protection film, and now it's time for paint protection film. On my last Hellcat, we only protected the front end of the car, and that was mostly because I bought the car used. It already had 20,000 miles on it. This time around, though, we're doing the full wrap just like we did on the GT4. So this is XPEL's 10 mil product, which means it's about 20% thicker than the normal XPEL Ultimate 8 mil. So we've been starting to do more and more 10 mil, especially for people that are going to drive the car hard or if they track it. Cost-wise, it's about 15% more to have 10 mil installed than 8 mil. So a question that inevitably is going to come up on YouTube, how much would this cost a normal customer to have a full wrap done on a car like this? And while we don't want to share exact pricing because it varies so much across the country, something like this you should expect to pay at least $6,000 to possibly 8, 9, 10. I've seen prices as high as even 12,000 in maybe Los Angeles or DC area for some really good quality shops in those areas. So Aaron's currently working on the last door. They've been flying on this thing. I got 4 guys on it. We found a hole in our schedule, which doesn't happen very often. So he's squeegeeing that out right now. We're wrapping edges wherever possible so that you'll see the front of that back door wraps, and same with the back part. We didn't remove door handles or anything on this car. The way these are shaped, it really doesn't make any sense. And honestly, we used to remove some stuff, but what we learned over time, even with Aaron's Camaro, he's got a stealth wrapped Camaro. What we've learned is that when you remove parts and then you do paint protection film and you put the parts back on, over time, those parts sort of move independently of each other. It'll end up bunching up the film or twisting the film. So we found it's, generally speaking, it's better to cut around objects that are bolted to the car. We're going to be skipping the roof for the paint protection film, at least for now. We're going to wrap the roof in satin black as well as the antenna, and then we're going to put XPEL Stealth over top of the satin. So the whole car will be wrapped, every inch of the orange paint, as well as the headlights. I'm sure these headlights are very expensive to replace, and I already mentioned we did the windshield. We're going to be tinting the taillights soon, tinting the windows soon, ceramic coating the car, ceramic coating the wheels. Lots of exciting projects. Stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date with all of the new Redeye content. We make these patterns so we know where to put the badges back on the car. The only problem is we're not doing the same badges, so we changed them around. The factory ones were bigger in black chrome and they were plastic, and I didn't like them. I wanted more of a straight black look. So this is actually off of a 2019 Challenger. We got these from the dealership. It still has the Redeye, which I like. These are metal, they're a little bit heavier. I don't know why that matters when it's left to the fender, but for some reason it does to me. So we're gonna do our best to position this as close as possible to how the other one was. Actually, they're very similar size. My lovely assistant, Vanna White, is gonna help. That's this side, right? Yeah.